Hi, it's Angela from Angela's Paper Arts. Today I'd like to just show you how to get your new stamp pads ready for stamping. As the new catalogue was just released a couple of weeks ago, I wanted to show you how I set up my new ink pads ready for stamping. So these are the new 2020-2021 ink colours. So you've got the gorgeous Just Jade, Cinnamon Cider, Bumblebee, Misty Moonlight and Magenta Madness. I have already set up the Misty Moonlight ink pad. I've put the label on the front and it's all ready to go. I've also put the label inside. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is just to get these ready and take it from there. So I'll go with, let's just move those out of the way. I'll go with Magenta Madness. So they do come wrapped in plastic, so they're all nicely protected. So just take that off. You don't need that. And underneath you will see the colour in English, which is what we use, of course, and then other languages as well. I am going to, because what we do, we put the English version at the front. So I'm just going to lift up that corner where it shows you that little item in the corner. Lift up the corner and I'm just going to pick up that label. It is sticky. I'm just going to pull that out, go to the front of my ink pad and place that in the centre. And that's all I need to do for that. Now to open your ink pads, these are simpler than the older ones that we used to have, which was this style. All you need to do is lift at the front, turn it over, and you can see this is brand new. I've not even opened it. And slide it into place, ready for inking. Now, one of the things I do like is that underneath you've got an extra little strip, colour strip. Now, let me just get that off, and before I do, let me just close that. You might find the ink pads are a bit stiff to start with, and that's a good thing because we don't want the ink drying out. So I'm just going to try and get that blank label right here, and I'm going to put that in the channel at the front. It's going to pop right in here, if I can get it to play nice. There we go. And I'm just going to use my bone folder to put that in place. The advantage is, and that's obviously just a little bit of plastic, we can get rid of that. The advantage is that if I have the ink pad open and if I have several ink pads open, they start to look the same if they're all a dark colour. And by having the colour strip in the channel, you will know which one you were working with. So that's all I wanted to show today. As I said, they may be a bit stiff to start with. Just open and close them a few times and you'll will be easy to go and ready for stamping. Thank you. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments and I will help you out. Thank you and thanks for watching.